Are you searching for the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. 4K wireless HDMI video transmitter and receiver extender kit, transmitter and receiver 4K wireless HDMI transmission, delivers stunning 4K UHD video and audio, ensuring high-quality content streaming without wires, extended range up to 400 m, transmits up to 400 m in an unobstructed environment, perfect for large venues and outdoor presentations, plug-play convenience, auto-paired for easy setup. The wireless HDMI extender is truly plug-and-play. Saving time and effort. Dual band 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz technology, utilizes 5G per 2.4 GHz dual band technology with 5 GHz dual antennas for a stable and reliable signal, support for multiple receivers, allows up to 4 receivers to connect to one transmitter, enhancing flexibility and convenience. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.